Why waste your time writing internet marketing content that may not work, when you can hire me to create hot new money generating IM content for you? Let me and my team of talented graphic designers create a continuous stream of hot internet marketing newsletter content for you. Join me today and you'll immediately get over 32 plus pages of current, up-to-date pure internet marketing content that contains an introduction, all the latest news, internet marketing ideas, cool resources, an epilogue. You get full private label rights to all the .doc files. Use the content almost any way you want. Finally, you can focus on more important aspects of business building than creating outstanding content. The real secret to business success is focusing on actually building their businesses. Architects don't actually build buildings, they have workers who do that for them. Chefs don't chop vegetables or clean the kitchen, they have workers who do that for them. CEOs don't actually make and sell products, perform services or answer phones, they have workers who do that for them. So, let me work for you. Here are some samples for you. Here is a screenshot showing all the inside pages of one of our recent issues. You get the content for creating your own publication, over 32 plus pages each and every month of pure internet marketing oriented content, categorized as displayed in the image below. Join the IMPLR newsletter today and secure your free, $97 value, audio PLR interview today and new one every month at zero extra cost, extra mega bonus $497 value completely free when you join today. We offer you refund in full if you are not satisfied with 30 days.